We're now going to solve a side-side-side triangle using the law of cosines. We're given that A is 4, B is 3, C is 6. We've drawn a figure here with the length of the side opposite alpha of 4, the length of the side opposite gamma is 6, and the length of the side opposite beta is 3. We can use the law of cosines to find any of these three angles. Suppose we want to find alpha. To find alpha, we recognize that a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of alpha. What I'm going to do is solve this entire expression for the cosine of alpha. I would get a squared minus b squared minus c squared equals negative 2bc times the cosine of alpha. I divide both sides of the expression by negative 2bc, and then I get that the cosine of alpha equals a squared minus b squared minus c squared over negative 2bc. If I don't like this negative here, I can get rid of it by multiplying or taking it and putting it in the numerator and distributing. That would give me b squared plus c squared minus a squared in the numerator over 2bc. So now I have a formula for the cosine of alpha. So I get that the cosine of alpha is going to equal b squared is 3 squared or 9 plus c squared or 36 minus a squared minus 16. That'll be over 2 times b is 3 times c is 6. 36 minus 16 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 29. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. So the cosine of alpha is 29 over 36. So alpha is going to be the inverse cosine of 29 over 36. We would get that alpha is about 36.3 degrees. Now I know alpha. I need to go ahead and find beta and gamma. Let's say that I want to find beta. Well, to find beta, what I need to do is solve the expression b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine of beta. I need to solve this for cosine of beta. If I did that, I would get that the cosine of beta equals a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. So substituting in the values of a, b, and c into this expression, a squared is 4 squared is 16 plus c squared is 6 squared or 36 minus b squared, so minus 9. Divided by 2 times a is 4 times c is 6. That gives me, let's see, 16 plus 36 minus 9 is 43. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. So the cosine of beta is 43 over 48. So beta is going to be the inverse cosine of 43 over 48. So I get that beta is about 26.4 degrees. Now that I know alpha and I know beta, I can easily find gamma. Gamma is going to be 180 degrees minus alpha, so minus 36.3 degrees, minus beta, minus 26.4 degrees. If I work this all out, I will get that gamma is 117.3 degrees.